So hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. This is a short episode of how Kara and I, two hippie artists in north central Wisconsin, are trying to distinguish between different species of hickory because I'm a wood guy and that's kind of my thing. So here you go. Right. We got a piece of hickory and maybe a piece of hickory. It might be a piece of pecan, but it looks like hickory on this side. So, according to the wood wizard over in Wausau, which is Sean Bennett, he says, cut the hickory, smell it, cut that, they smell the same, it should be hickory. If it's not, it might be pecan, which is species of hickory. It's just not as dense. So we're going to cut the hickory, and it should smell like hickory, which, to those of you who don't know what hickory smells like, it smells like wood. It does. It doesn't have a unique smell.
My beef.
We're wafting.
Like Can you guys smell it?
Oh, smell-o-vision.
Smell it. Smell it.
It's focusing on
Smell
your face. It is pretty and green, though.
It is.
It smells kind of smoky, warm. I don't know.
Oh.
Not spicy like Paduke, but
Okay, and then this is maybe pecan.
seems to cut different.
It's the same type of end grain.
I want to smell.
Doesn't really have a smell. It smells like the last one. But hickory doesn't get that dark.
Yeah, so that's why.
If it is pecan, pecan is related to hickory. So it might just be just that little bit of difference we smell. Because it doesn't smell exactly the same.
No, it does not. We'll have to look it up. Does it taste the same?
Let's see. Which one of your old students am I?
Savannah.
So we just found out that it's not pecan. This is hickory. The one we thought was pecan is actually a shell bark hickory, also known as calico hickory.
Like the kitty.
Like a kitty, except not as nice to pet or touch. Because when you smell it, it smells just like hickory, because this is hickory, and the hickory smells like hickory. I know it's confusing, but that's our logic.
See, in me, I thought this one smelled a tad different than that one.
Maybe a
when
little.
you first cut it.
Maybe a little, because they're both hickory, just different species. I know this is, at least from my educated research, shellbark hickory, and this is another type of hickory.
But is pecan part of the hickory family?
It is.
Well,
Bye.
pecan pie.
So I hope you learned a little bit about hickory and subspecies of hickory, which would kind of be pecan or calico hickory. And that's the video. It's just we wanted to make a short little educational video, and we hope you learned a little bit more about hickory for you nerds out there that like wood. For you wood snobs out there that didn't watch this video, shame on you. You know who you are.
You learned that from Mr. Bennett.
I did. He is the wood wizard over in Wausau.
He is the almighty wise one.
Before we go, we'd like to thank all our patrons. Thank you very much. We appreciate everything you do to support us.
Yes, thank you. You guys are just awesome.
And for you future patrons, see you soon.
Yay.
All right, thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye.